Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Winch Quick Disconnect is probably one of the most important accessories for your off-road adventures, offering unmatched convenience and safety when using a winch for recovery, towing, or other demanding tasks. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the right kit, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience every time you hit the trails or tackle tough jobs. Number 5. OMT Wire Connector Kit. This kit offers a reliable solution for connecting and disconnecting wires quickly and easily. It's perfect for various applications, from automotive to marine. You get 4 clearly marked connectors in this set, designed to handle 2 to 4 gauge wires. They're built to withstand high currents and harsh conditions. Use them for car batteries, boat motors, or even power tools. It simplifies power connections in many different situations. The weatherproof design and robust construction ensure years of reliable performance. They're resistant to wear, corrosion, and extreme temperatures. With clear markings and a simple design, installation is a breeze. Just strip the wires, insert them into the terminals, and crimp them securely. Silver-plated copper terminals minimize resistance for optimal conductivity and dependability. The boot caps keep out dirt and debris, extending its lifespan. What we like. This kit gives you 4 connectors for various uses. It's built to handle high currents and withstand harsh weather. If you need a versatile, heavy-duty solution for multiple applications, this is the one for you. What people say. The walls of the crimp section are extremely thick. I literally cannot crimp them with the cheapy $30 crimper I bought. I needed a quick disconnect for some audio gear and this fit perfectly. Works great for winch disconnect. I also put some silicone to waterproof the back end where the wire comes out. Number 4. Rough Country RS-107 Winch Cable. Say goodbye to tangled messes and hello to effortless winch operation. This cable makes using your winch incredibly convenient. It's built with 2-gauge copper wiring for superior power and long-lasting durability. You can depend on it to handle even the toughest jobs. The quick snap design ensures a secure connection every time. It's easy to connect and disconnect, saving you time and effort. It's designed to work seamlessly with standard-sized D-rings and up to 1 winch rope. It's compatible with most winches on the market. With a 7-foot length, it provides ample reach for most applications. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility it offers. Upgrade your winch setup today with the Rough Country Quick Disconnect Winch Cable. Experience the difference that superior quality and convenience make. What we like. It features a long cable for convenient winch placement and uses thick gauge wiring for reliable power transfer. The quick snap design makes hookups a breeze. If you prioritize ease of use and a long reach, this is your best bet. What people say. Easy to install, connect and powers up my winch perfectly. Makes life easy, less overall strain on Jeep JL batteries. The included dust covers means I don't have to worry about the contacts corroding out. I'll probably throw some silicone where the cable goes into the connector, just to ensure they stay clean and don't hold any water, but overall these seem great. Number 3. X-Haibei Battery Quick Connect. These connectors make connecting and disconnecting your battery a breeze. They're perfect for cars, boats, and more. You get everything you need, 5 pairs of connectors, 20 terminal pins, and all the hardware for a quick and easy installation. It boasts a 50 amp rating and is built to last with rugged, lightweight construction. It's also rated for 500 volts AC or DC. The silver-plated contacts ensure low resistance and reliable connections. A wiping action keeps the contacts clean for optimal performance. These connectors are simple to use, even for beginners. Just plug and play. Use them for cars, bikes, ATVs, winches, lifts, and motors. They're versatile and reliable for all your power connection needs. Each connector measures 1.35 by 1.9 by 0.6 inches and is compatible with 6 to 10 gauge cables. They're designed for a secure and reliable connection every time. What we like. This kit provides 10 connectors, perfect for various projects around your vehicles. It's designed for a wide range of applications and offers great value. If you need multiple connectors for different projects, this is the most economical choice. What people say. I used this item to make a quick connect for a portable winch on the back of my truck, worked perfect. I bought these to use on my little tractor and smaller equipment. They were great for smaller gauge wires for winches and for jumper cables. They were easy to install and use. These connectors are just like the Renogy connectors and work well in any devices that I want to quickly connect and disconnect wires. I will have and will be ordering more. Number 2. Bunker 175A Battery Connector Kit. This kit offers a simple and convenient way to connect and disconnect power to various devices. It's perfect for winches, chargers, and more. It's designed for multiple uses, from winches and trailers to solar setups and inverters. This makes it a versatile addition to any vehicle or power system. Built with durable, fire-retardant materials, it can withstand over 10,000 connections and disconnections. Protective rubber boots keep it safe from dust and moisture. The identical connectors prevent accidental reverse polarity, ensuring safe connections every time. It's designed to connect only one way for added security. Heavy-duty components and silver-coated copper pins provide strong conductivity and reduce resistance for stable voltage and current. It's efficient for both low and medium current applications. Installation is a breeze. Simply insert the wires, solder or crimp, and lock the pins into place. It's quick and easy to set up. What we like. This kit boasts high amperage capacity and is built to last through thousands of connections. The design prevents accidental reverse polarity. If safety and longevity are your top priorities, this is the ideal option. What people say. I am wiring up quick disconnects on a pair of 4x4 trucks. Winches, I have giant gauge plus cable, and these terminate the ends perfectly. I've set it up where I can power the winch on either bumper, or leave the entire circuit disconnected near the battery. Quality seemed good, time will tell. People like the look of the setup, and functionally they work. 12,000 #winch so draw was decent, through 2 sets of connectors to the rear. Used to create a quick disconnect from my subwoofer's box, installed on 10GA wire. Components were as described, assembled decent. The lip on the terminals is slightly too shallow, in my opinion, as I tested them disconnect after assembly and the second time I pulled them apart, one end dislodged from the retaining terminal. Took my grinder and gave the wire terminals a bit more of an edge, works perfect now. Would definitely purchase again. I use this to wire a large 12V air compressor into the bed of my truck so that it can easily be removed. It works great. I used 8-gauge wire and it fit great. Easy to install and great material that should last a long time. Number 1. Bunker INDUST 50A Battery Kit. This kit offers a simple and convenient way to connect and disconnect power to various electrical devices. It's perfect for winches, chargers, and more. It's designed for multiple uses, from winches and trailers to solar setups and inverters. This makes it a versatile addition to any vehicle or setup. Built with durable, fire-retardant materials, it can withstand over 10,000 connections and disconnections. Plus, the rubber boots protect it from dust and moisture. The identical connectors prevent accidental reverse polarity, ensuring safe connections every time. It's designed to connect only one way for added peace of mind. Heavy-duty components and silver-coated copper pins provide strong conductivity and reduce resistance for stable voltage and current. It's built for reliable performance. Installation is quick and easy. Simply insert the wires, solder or crimp them, and lock them into place. You'll be up and running in minutes. What we like. This kit offers 4 connectors for various uses and is designed for easy installation and use. It's a great balance of performance and convenience. If you want a reliable and user-friendly solution, this is a solid choice. What people say. It was easy to make up the connections, once I viewed a few videos about the process. They are easy to connect and stay connected, but then they are also easy to disconnect. Work well with 6GA wire in the dinghy to 10GA wire into the sailboat. Very well made and works well. The tip is very sturdy, and if going with the crimping method it would take a lot of pressure to collapse the wire hole well enough to hold a 10AWG wire. End result is a quick connection that holds very well and takes a little effort to disconnect. That's a good thing. They're easy enough to attach, but will never rattle loose on their own. They are universal, i.e. not male or female plugs. Nice solid click putting the tips into the disconnect, and the connect disconnect feels solid too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.